Okay, good morning, all of you. So we'll continue with. Okay, there's a heat and thermodynamics. So the first thing is the main thermodynamics. Directly I want to start with this. Already we discussed so many problems. I'll begin with A V2 power of B. I want the molar capacity, and for different values of B or A, what will be the type of process? Okay, now first I'm asking you to calculate the molar heat capacity. What is the basic definition of molar heat capacity? Molar capacity. So what is a basic definition? So this should be equal to dq by n dt. dq is what? du plus dw n dt. And du by n dt is what? Cv plus dw n dt. Okay, this is the expression for the molar heat capacity. C equal to Cv plus dw by dt. Depending upon the, sometimes the equation will end up simple like this. If number of moles is 1, no, you can just write work done by the changing temperature. Work done by changing temperature. Okay, got this? Now, P equal to A V2 power of B. We have to calculate the molar capacity. Say first thing, what you should need, you need work done and temperature that has to be determined. And what is the thing? Usually the temperature of the gas is the parameter which we are going to vary. So based on that, so work done is equal to PdV, the temperature which I'm going to change 0 to delta T. Keep it like this here. What is P? A V2 power of B dV 0 to delta T. This will be A V2 power of B plus 1 by B plus 1 0 to delta T. So the upper limit, okay, we'll do one thing. I'll come to the limits later on. So there's the equation what we have. A, the same thing. So this is about the work done, but we wanted something temperature here. No? So this volume, what happened, I should bring in terms of temperature, I have to substitute that. So from ideal gas equation, PV equal to nRT. So what is P? A V2 power of B. So V2 power of B plus 1. A V2 power of B plus 1, shall I write nR delta T? Okay, now molar capacity, work done, nR delta T, B plus 1 by N delta T. R delta T, N get cancelled, so this will be R by 1 plus B. So if it is a monoatomic gas, put Cv 3R by 2, diatomic gas 5R by 2. If the monoatomic gas, C is equal to Cv 1 plus R by 1 plus B. If the diatomic gas, so like that, what happened? We will get a conditions here. Okay, let's see that. B equal to 1. What is the process it will become? I just want to summarize everything in one numerical. B equal to 1. B process will see molar capacity, and then what process it will become. B equal to 1. Cv plus R by 2. B equal to 1. B equal to 1 means P proportional to V. It's a general thermodynamic process. Will I agree this? Cv plus R by 2. Cv, let me define for monoatomic gas. So that will be easy for us. So Cv for monoatomic gas, how much? 3R by 2. Cv for monoatomic gas will be 3R by 2. So therefore substitute here. 3R by 2 plus R by 2. How much it will be? 2R. So what is the process? General thermodynamic process. Next again, B equal to minus 1, you keep it. B equal to minus 1. B equal to minus 1, it will become like a PV equal to constant. PV equal to constant, then what process? Should be isothermal. Put B equal to minus 1. Then molar capacity. will be infinity, no? Then it will become isothermal. Are you getting the general idea? Put B equal to 2. If B equal to 2, R by 3, 3R by 2. Anybody value? This will be 3, 3. We'll get 2 here, 2, 2, and that will be 11R by 6. So what is the thing? So we'll get that is equal to 11R by 11R by 6. So what is this process? 11R by 6. So it is not a general thermic process. Is it any process? Nothing, no. So general thermic process. So like that for mute. It's, I think some problem is there. Unable. Okay, now can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll continue here. V equal to A T to power of B. Molar capacity. Now what is the formula? So C is equal to, so we'll first go for work done. I think some more work done is needed. So work done is P dV. So PV equal to nRT. In place of pressure, I'll write this as A T to power of B nRT. So pressure equal to nRT by A 1 minus B. nR by A T to power of 1 minus B. This is the expression for pressure. So work done equal to P dV. P is what? nRA T1 minus B dV. But we can't integrate, no? What they should have been in terms of what? Like either pressure or volume. So shall we replace now this dV? So differentiating this. dV is equal to AB T to power of B minus 1 dt. Substituting this nRA dV is what? AB TB minus 1 dt. nRB will come outside. So this will become only integral of dt, no? The limit, let it be 0 to delta t. So what is work done? nRB delta t. I'll come for molar capacity formula. CV plus work done by n delta t. So substituting the value of B, it will become different process here. So monoatomic gas. Okay, now value of B, molar capacity and the process. What is the value of B? B is equal to, let me put 1. If B equal to 1, what is the process it will be? Isobaric process. And the value of C will be how much? 3R by 2, 5R by 2. Then it will become isobaric process. Are you getting no? Put B equal to minus 1. 3R by 2 minus R. will be R by 2. General thermic process. Put B equal to 2. If you put B equal to 2, 3R by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4, 4 plus 3, 7R by 2. General thermic process. Like that we can go for it. Any value of B you can substitute. So B equal to, like I'll write minus 2R by 3. Or 3R by 2, I'll write it. 3 by 2 will write it. If B equal to 3 by 2, if B equal to 3 by 2, then what is molar capacity? Will become 0. So what is this process? No heat exchange. Sir, is it an adiabatic process? Yes, it is adiabatic process. I don't want you to solve many problem. Anything you have to manage. Okay, something, there's some very generalized things are available here, no? Very generalized things are available. Very generalized things are available. So that now we are going to set up using like this here. No. So instead of doing so many problems, sir, why can we have a generalized formula? Yes. So I'm going to take help of the same problem. The about two, I'll solve by polytropic process. I think when we were discussing in the first time, no, I didn't stress the polytropic process. So now since a revision, no, so we need a skills. Anything. So what is the value of X? CV plus R into 1 minus X. This is the formula. Then work done equal to NR delta T 1 minus X. Our discussion was this one, no? First we started P equal to A V to power of B. That A everything will become constant. So this can be write like this. Or this is nothing but equal to constant. A and B are constants. In place of B, what you have? In place of B is what X is there. Nothing wrong. Okay, now come for this. V equal to e to power of TB. I'll show for this. I think you will be at least look at this one. I'll convert into this form. I'll substitute the value of X. So we have to bring the pressure here. Temperature should be eliminated. So using ideal gas equation, V equal to A. So this will be PV by NRB. So this will become PV to power of B minus 1 constant. Anybody who has unable to, if you, due to connectivity, if you lose it, no, you put in WhatsApp, you send it in WhatsApp, no, through WhatsApp, what happened, I'll check it and I'll admit you. No? Okay, fine. So if you have any problem of connectivity, no, you just, or you can make a call. I'll receive call, WhatsApp, everything. You can directly make a call. I think the students, again, they'll try to disturb again. Now, you have like this. So in place of X, what I should write B minus 1, no? So I'll see that. I'll directly bring the answer. You'll see this. CV plus R. In place of X, B minus should be there. So what is this? This everything will become molar heat capacity. Okay, let's check this. All the values are, I think that this particular formula only I brought it, no? C plus R by B it is. Okay, look at this equation. No? Both are same. I think this value of A and B matters here. PV to the power of X equal to constant. So from that, put B equal to, okay, let's check it here. B equal to 1.
Sir, in denominator, we'll get 2 minus b.
2 minus b. Sorry. This is. Yeah. Put b equal to 1. Put b equal to 1, it should be 5r by 2, no? Substitute here. B equal to 1. And the same thing. Monoatomic gas, CV, 3r by 2. B, molar capacity. Then the required process. So B equal to 1 will be 2r. General thermal process. We are getting different thing. B equal to a to power of TB we are discussing. No? Put B equal to 1. Total will be 5r by 2. 3r by 2, it will be 2r. Okay, let me analyze here. B equal to minus 1. R by 3, 3r by 2 plus r by 3.
So it will be 1 minus of 1 minus b.
Okay, no, yeah. Anybody, somebody is saying? Hello. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. Today, lot of disturbance. B equal to anybody, just tell me the values. Huh?
Sir, X is wrong, sir.
Minus 1 by b.
What is X? I'm not getting.
B
It
minus
might
1 by
1
b.
by B, sir.
P power B.
Okay, so
Sir, x is 1 minus 1 by b, sir.
X is 1 minus 1 by B, no?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
like this, yeah. So this is P power B will come here, no? I'll do adjustment here, you know. I think from here I'll make changes. Huh? I'm unable to concentrate. Huh? So many calls here and there. Yeah. Okay, there's a thing. So I'm writing T as PV by NR. Okay, this will be P to power of B, V to power of B minus 1 equal to say some constant alpha. So this will become V 1 minus 1 by B. Is it okay, no? Now this X will become 1 minus 1 by B. Now we can check it. Monoatomic gas. So monoatomic gas. So this will be the value of B, molar capacity, then process. Let's see that. Will it satisfy the earlier way what we were thinking that one? So B equal to 1. Okay, put B equal to 1. So directly you have to use this particular formula. So that I'll bring expression for C also, molar capacity. CV plus R 1 minus 1 by B. And I think no need to directly from here. No need to cross check. So the same equation I'm getting, no need to cross check. So C equal to CV plus RB. You check it here. C equal to CV plus RB. So tell me, like year afterwards, if you get equation like this, will you solve the method what I shown, or will you take help of polytropic process? You are going to take polytropic process. I'll bring both the methods at one place, at least. This is very important. I don't want now you to solve many problems. I don't want you to solve many problems. You have to just confine with polytropic process and you have to wind up all the related things. Let's do one thing. There's a discussion what we made. Okay, all of you, see the thing now. So there are two approaches are there. One, there's the first approach. There's the second approach. Any equation, you can bring it anything that one. P equal to, okay, then this I'll remove it. Again, this will trouble you. Okay, I think this is what I wanted to deliver thing in today's class. So I think you just open book, you do have plenty of numericals where they'll give some pressure as a function of volume, volume as a temperature, volume as a function of temperature, pressure as a function of temperature, anything, let it be that one. No? Everything what will happen. This first approach, now you should say goodbye. You should take help of convert that as polytropic process, rewrite the equation of this form, rewrite the equation in this particular form and carry on. Just get the value of X. In place of X, what is there? 1 minus 1 by B. That you substitute to get the molar capacity. Even the work done also. Is it okay, all of you? This one. So I think, but when I was teaching in regular class, I didn't say it like this. Will you agree? I just, first approach only I showed polytropics. I shown separately that one. Just to polytropic process. But now polytropic process is everything for you in exam. Fine. So at any cost, you should never forget this particular formula. So many, around 20, 30 numericals are there. Just solve 4, 5 and come out of this concept. Let me go for the other thing. Now, sometimes what happens, we get any equations like dq is equal to, in a process, is asking to get the how the pressure and volume or molar heat capacity of a process is asking. And then what has to be done? But Saleh, you said first law of thermodynamics, as first law of thermodynamics is still valid here. First law of thermodynamics is still valid. What is the question? You have to find out the molar heat capacity. And just recollect very fast. Okay, some method we have brought it, no, to deal with problems of this kind. So either what shall we do? What is the basic definition of molar capacity? dq by n dt. Substitute dq here. Let me do for one number of moles 1, so that calculations we can minimize. So 3 du by dt equal to 2 w by dt by no, du by dt is what? Cv. dw by dt, we don't know that. How to bring that dw by dt? Recollect fast. Put effort. Just don't look at only screen. Already you come across. I want you to think very hard. Something dw, sir. What is dw? Dw is always pdv. Then shall we take help of ideal gas equation, because there is no other method available, no? This is so. Shall we go for ideal gas equation? PV equal to nRT. Work done equal to PdV. P, I'll write it as nRT by V into dV. So can we again integrate here? Can we again integrate? So T and dV is there, no? So we want some any sort of relationship. So for that, okay, keep it here, no? So like this, what happened? Try to think various alternatives. Okay, now let's go for. So I'll equate this. We know first law of thermodynamics. Will agree? Let me equate these two here. So dq is equal to, so du plus dw is equal to what? 3 du plus 2w, this one, 2 dw. So this will cancel out. Students can join. I don't know why still they were calling. Okay, fine. Okay, this should become equal to 2 du plus dw. So in general now, 2 du, keep it as it is. Or dw, what happened? If you want, you can write it here. No need to go for all this one. You can see that you are almost very near to the answer. dw by dt. So dw, what you can write it as 2 du minus of 4 du by dt. So what is du by dt? Should be Cv. Minus Cv will come. So this is equal to, the monatomic gas 3R by 2. It's a diatomic gas will be 5R by 2. This will be our answer. This is from first law of thermodynamics. This is a general, any problem it's applicable. Huh? In any problem, it is applicable. Okay, fine. So let's go for one more. dq equal to 3 du. I want equation for the process. Molar capacity and also equation for the process. Get into the problem. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. Get into the problem. What to do here? So again, the dq is equal to du plus dw. Du, so this dw equal to 2 du. P dv is equal to dw. This will be du is what? NCV dt. Number of moles will make it 1. Then 2CV dt. Anything can we do here? So PV equal to what? I can write nRT RT by V. dV by V equal to 2CV by R dt by T. Okay, this will be volume V1, V2, T1, T2. So this will be log of V2 by V1 is equal to 2CV by R. Okay, that you send it, adjust this log of T2 by T1 2CV by R. Taking eliminating log on both sides will end up the equation like this. So what is the equation now will be? T2 CV 2 CV by R by V2 equal to constant, or this should become equal to T1 2 CV by R by V1, or T2 CV by R by V. This is the equation for the process. Molar capacity, as you can find out that also. Okay, earlier problem, I showed molar capacity here, equation of a process. So how that pressure temperature. So no, I want pressure, how it is related. Okay, then again use ideal gas equation, eliminate either volume or temperature, bring expression in terms of pressure volume like that. PV equal to nRT, dq equal to du plus dw. I think these are the some generalized formulas which we'll be using in almost in any situation where all we need it. Okay, agree this one? Okay, I'll switch on to the other set of. So I think I'll totally come out of this discussion. Anything if they give heat exchange potential energy, heat exchange work done. So I think you can try all this. Try all this one. So what is the equation for the process? This one. So any of this general thing, I'd say don't practice now many numericals on this. So make it a generalized one. Okay, let me go for the next one. Okay, after this, we'll go for the graphical problems. This is something very plenty of numericals are there. Again, you should learn the trick involved in such graphical problems. Already, I think we have some basic discussion on this. So let me proceed with the simple idea. This is it's a cyclic process 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want the efficiency of gas in one full cycle and corresponding PT graph, VT graph, Euro graph, all other possible graphs. What is the process 1, 2? Volume constant, isochoric heating, temperature, and before that what happened, we should know the temperature. Use ideal gas equation. From ideal gas equation, what we can say that the temperature at 1 will be T naught. Temperature here will be 3 T naught. Temperature here will be 6 T naught. Temperature here will be 2 T naught. How do sir you are saying? Okay, you see that what is the condition we apply here? At 1, P naught, V naught, R T1. So let P naught, V naught equal to R. Let me consider 1 mole of gas and monoatomic let it be. Write it in here inside. So therefore, what is T1 equal to? T naught. Now apply again ideal gas equation here. 3 P naught V naught by R T2. So what is T2? Will become 3 times of P naught V naught by R. Like that, I'm putting that one. They are going to help us in identifying the process. Now you see that one. Volume constant, temperature increase. So isochoric heating. So it will absorb heat. Then similarly, 2 to 3. For 2 to 3, volume, so like a pressure constant, volume increasing. So isobaric heating. Then 3 to 4, volume constant, pressure decreases. Isochoric, so like isochoric cooling. 4 to 1, pressure constant, volume decreases. Pressure constant, volume. Pressure constant, pressure constant, volume decreases. So what is the basic thing now? So it will be rejected like this here. Q41. What is the efficiency? How you define net work done by heat exchange or Q positive by Q negative. So I'm able to find out very easily the efficiency. Net work done by Q positive. So what is net work done? Area under PV graph. So this should be equal to how much? 3 P naught minus P naught. This is the work done. And since a clockwise cyclic process, so net work done should be positive. What about heat absorbed? 1, 2, and 2, 3 are heat absorbed. So Q1, 2, Q2, 3. So this will be 2 P naught, V naught. Q1, 2. Directly come for isochoric process. What is heat absorbed? Volume constant should be equal to NCV delta T, number of moles 1. So 3R by 2, 3 T naught minus T naught. What is Q23? Isobaric process. In isobaric process, it should be NCV delta T, number of moles is 1. Monoatomic gas. So what is the value of Cp? 5R by 2. 5R by 2, 6 T naught. Please revise all the formulas because in exam you are supposed to write direct steps of this kind. 3 T naught minus 2 T naught, 2 naught. So this will be 3R T naught. 3 T naught, 3, 15, 15 by 2. So 7.5 R T naught. What is R T naught? R T naught should be P naught V naught. So substituting that, 2 P naught V naught, 3 P naught V naught. Okay, 7.53. So this will be 10.5. Okay, this will be the efficiency of this particular thing. Okay, let's go for the graphs. PV graph. Now, can we also bring the density, because that will be help me a lot. So density of the gas here, let it be P naught. Rho naught, I'll take it. Then volume constant, so density constant. If volume increases, what's happened to density? Should decrease by half. Rho naught by 2. Okay, got the idea? So these are the densities what we are getting. Okay, first I want PT graph, pressure versus temperature. Okay, I have place here. So let me go for here only, the first graph. Pressure versus temperature. What are the values of pressure? P naught, 3 P naught. Like this, you choose a scale. What about temperature? T naught, maximum is 6 T naught, no? So you can. This is very important. It will also help you for you in chemistry also. That's why I'm stressing it. In physics, very important. Always one graphical problem will be there. What about point 1? Look at the point 1 corresponding to it, P naught, T naught. Corresponding to point 2. I think in notes available, just I'm revising one question. We'll go for next higher problems. This is the first question I'm trying to make you recollect. What about point 2? Point 2 will have 3 P naught, 3 T naught. So it is a point 2. Point 3, 3 P naught, 6 T naught. Point 4, P naught, 2 T naught. Now the graph. So this is corresponding to 1, 2, 3, 4. You have in a book, they're giving this pressure, temperature, they're asking the efficiency. It's nothing but same thing. Of course, the values will be different here. But for this graph only, I may ask you this one. So that's why when you're doing graphical problem, once you get efficiency, plot equivalent graph, you come to know that what you are discussing is same thing for this. But here area under PT graph will not be work done. So what you should do here in this case, calculate heat exchange, heat absorbed, heat absorbed. It will be rejected. So whenever other than PV graph, you should take help of what? The heat exchange. From there you have to bring it. Q positive by Q negative. So when PV diagram is there, then you are able to tell work done. Next, we'll go for similarly VT graph. Here only we'll plot the volume versus temperature graph. Now, what are the particular values of volume? V naught, 2 V naught. Temperatures are this is a volume, this is a temperature. Volume, particular point 1, V naught, T naught. For 2, it should be V naught and 3 T naught. For point 3, it should be 2 V naught and 6 V naught. 6 T naught, 2 V naught, 6 T naught. The point is here. 2 V naught and 2 T naught. It should straight line passing through origin, it should be. So not main. I didn't plot according to the. Okay, fine. So this is the temperature. This what PT graph and VT graph. All of you getting the idea? So what some students are thinking that something you should, there's a concept, nothing. Just some basics methods you have to apply. So the PV graph, in the first graph, you should be able to identify all the process. Now you see that one in VT graph. What is 1, 2? Isochoric process. Volume should be constant. So this is the isochoric. I'll write this one. So this will be isobar. Fine. Then 1, 2 volume constant. Then 2, 3 is what? Isobaric process. Isobaric process in VT graph. Straight line passing through origin. In that way, it will be adjusted here. Okay, this is about the PT graph. This is about the volume versus temperature graph. Now, I want intensity versus density graph. I think this I also earlier steps. So if you look at the notes also, we have sufficient questions are there on this. So once again, let me explain this one. Intensity versus density. What is intensity? We don't have intensity. The temperature is nothing but intensity. What are the values of intensity now? Maximum 60 knot and U is directly proportional to temperature. So we should go for values like this, U naught. Densities, what about densities? Rho naught by 2 and rho naught, no? No. Okay, let's talk about the point 1. At point 1, U naught and rho naught. One is U naught and rho naught. One is here. First, we'll locate the points. Don't bother about the graph. What about 2? 2 will be U naught. 2 will be 3 U naught and rho naught. 3 U naught and rho naught. Then what about 3? 6 U naught, 6 T naught, rho naught by 2. So 6 U naught, rho naught by 2. The last one, 2 U naught, rho naught by 2. Look at the point 4. Look at the point 4 here. 2 T naught means 2 U naught, rho naught by 2. What graph should come? Isochoric heating, straight line. Isochoric cooling, 3, 4. What about 2, 3? 1, 2, 2, 3 is what? Isobaric process. Isobaric process in Eurograph, rectangular hyperbola. Please do remember, it's a rectangular then rectangular hyperbola. Got this idea now? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we do get this one. There's the intensity versus the density graph. So from PT graph. So now I want to plot pressure versus intensity. Pressure versus intensity is nothing but what? Pressure versus temperature only, because temperature is directly proportional. Volume versus intensity. Volume versus intensity is nothing but volume versus temperature only. Intensity versus density. There's nothing but temperature versus inverse of volume. To trouble you in the books, they give like this. Don't get scared. What is the reciprocal of volume? Should be the density only, no? So proportional to density, the graph should be. So this is the density. This is internal energy. Got this? So I think one problem like this, 5 problems. PV graph, work out. Next PT graph, work out. Next VT graph, work out. finish, or you can do better. Now, some important things are there. What is that? In PV graph cyclic process, work done positive, right? And is it a cyclic or like a counterclockwise or clockwise? Clockwise cyclic process. Now come for this one. In PT graph, clockwise cyclic process. What is work done will be positive. Oh, no. In VT graph, counterclockwise cyclic process means work done will be positive. Clockwise cyclic process in VT graph will become negative. Next, Euro graph, counterclockwise. Are you making observation? Say one problem, it speaks a lot. I'm telling you this one, it speaks a lot. So VT graph and Euro graph, counterclockwise work done negative. PV graph, PT graph, the clockwise cyclic process work done will be positive. Agreed? This? Okay, now what I discussed is PV graph. A PV graph, again, there are different shapes are there. Okay, next we'll take the you refer my notes already they are there. So let me come for Euro graph. Now, Euro graph, we know anti-clockwise, counterclockwise, work done positive. So I'll start with this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be 2 U naught, U naught. 2 U naught. This will be rho, rho naught, 2 rho naught. What about the process 1, 2? Isochoric. What about 2, 3? 2, 3 will be isothermal process. Because the int is constant. Int constant, what is the process? It will become isothermal process. So what we have to do? We have to calculate the efficiency of gas in one full cycle. So what is the path? This path will give the name. Isochoric heating. I'll write it only this one. What about this? Isothermal. Density decreases means volume increases, no? So this will be isothermal heating. It will be absorbed. Q32, isochoric cooling. Density constant, intensity decreases means this will be. So here it will be rejected. So this is again what? Isochoric. What about 4.1? 4.1 will be isothermal compression. And it will be rejected. This is the expansion. Data I want efficiency. So what you are going to do now? Later on we'll go for equivalent graph. Data I want efficiency. Efficiency what happen? Will here what happen rather than work done all Q positive, Q negative will calculate where all it is absorbed and where all it is rejected. So let me directly calculate Q positive is equal to Q12 plus Q23. In isochoric process, what is Q equal to? Q equal to delta, you know, straight away. Finish your problem. No need to do anything. What is in isothermal process? nRT2 log of V3 by V2. So this is only U naught, but we don't know temperature. Nothing is given. No, I'll write number of monoatomic gas. 1 mole of monoatomic gas will pick up. 2 U0 minus U0 is U0. But we don't have anything nRT2. So you come for this U23. This should be equal to what? nRT2. NCV, sorry. NCV T2. T2 equal to T3. Is it like that? Because temperature must be constant. Isothermal process it is. Similarly, U0 should be equal to U1 plus U4 should be equal to NCV T4 or T1, anything you write it. Where all nRT is there. So can we write anything? Yes, we can write in terms of internal energy. CV is there, monoatomic gas. What is the value of CV? 3R by 2. You have to make adjustments. There's no other way. Okay, now nRT2, what we can write? 4 U0 by 3. Log of V3 by V2. V3 by V2. So what is the ratio of V3 by V2? Inverse proportion of density, no? It should be. So the volume of the gas here will be V0. Here it will be V0. Here it will be V0. V0 by 2 here. Here it will be, okay, the density is increasing. No? Density decreasing, volume will be increasing. Yeah, volume here will be 2 V0, here it will be V0. So therefore, V3 by V2 should be equal to 2. So how you are saying density equal to mass by volume? If density decreases by 2 times, volume should increase by 2 times. So ratio of volume equal to this much. I think we got Q positive. Q negative. Q negative is what? Like Q34. Q34. Eat rejected. So it's like an isochoric process. So there should be equal to how much? Minus U0. Q41 should be NR T1 log of V1 by V4. If density increases by 2 times, volume should decrease by 2 times. So this will be, what is nRT1? nRT1 should be 2 U0 by 3. This should be equal to how much? 1 by 2 log of okay, there's the expression for, I think negative sign will come. This is Q negative. What is the efficiency formula? Substituting this, we'll get the why mod? Because again, negative of negative will become this one. So it should be what will happen? Q positive by Q negative. Is it formula correct, or Q positive by Q negative by Q negative? Recollect first efficiency. From where this we have brought it? Efficiency should be Q positive Q negative by Q positive. So if I don't take the mod, the negative of net will become positive, efficiency will become greater than 1. We don't have any heat engine where efficiency will be more than 100% or equal to 100%. Substituting this, the U0 will get eliminated. Everything will come in log. I think, okay, I'll leave it. Because U0 will get in 1 plus 43 log 2 negative of that. Subtract, will get the efficiency. Okay, agreed now? So don't get worried here. Only for PV graph, you can find out efficiency. For any curve, if they give, you should know how to calculate the efficiency. Afterwards, equivalent graphs. What are equivalent graphs like? I want pressure, temperature, volume. PV graph, PT graph, and VT graph. Let's go for the indicating all the other terms. The temperature here will be T naught. I think, okay, U naught means it will be T naught and 2 T naught. So what about the pressure? How to bring pressure from this? We have here intense, so how to bring the pressure? So in terms of volume, it will be 2 V naught. I'll bring another one separate diagram because we'll be messing up everything. Yeah. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Look at the condition, no? There should be the volume V naught only, 2 V naught. Or if you go for, there should be V naught. So this is about the volume. And then, so P, what about the pressure? How to bring pressure? This U naught is nothing but temperature here. No? So what is the temperature of the gas here? At this particular point, the temperature will be T naught. This will be 2 T naught. 2 T naught. This is T naught. And the volume here is V naught. 2 V naught. Only the pressure is needed. I'll apply the PV graph. So I take help of this condition. Volume, sorry, this should be V naught, will be V naught by 2. Density is mass equal density into volume. Yeah, V naught and V naught by 2, you write it. And now come for the pressure. P naught, V naught, like a V naught, T naught is there. So therefore here the pressure will become P naught. Then applying ideal gas equation, here how much it will be? Pressure will be 2 P naught will come. Isochoric process. No, okay, then from using this one, P naught will be pressure becoming constant.
No, sir, it is V naught by 2, sir. Volume there.
Where? Yeah, this volume will be V naught by 2, no? Okay, I didn't check. Yeah, fine, yeah. This is V naught by 2. This is V naught only. Red color, I'll write volumes. I didn't change it. Yeah, come. Okay, now this will be 2 P naught. The pressure should increase here, no? So will become 4 P naught. The last one. Two P naught. PV equal to RT, 2 R naught. Okay, this one, 2 P naught. So now we have the pressure values, volume values, density values, everything. Okay, what all we want, we'll plot it. So I'll proceed with the PV graph first. What are the values of pressure from P naught to 4 P naught? So P naught. Volumes are V naught by 2. V naught. Locate the points. Don't draw the curve. So P naught, V naught, first point. No, there's a 0.1. Then this 0.4, no, sorry. P naught, V naught is 0.4. 2 P naught V naught by 2 is 1. What about 2? 2 will be 4 P naught V naught by 2. 3 will be 2 P naught and V naught. 2 P naught and V naught. 2 P naught is here. So what is 1 2? 1 2 is isochoric process, no? So it'll be a straight line. 2 3. 2 3 is what? Isobaric process. Isothermal. 3 4. Again isochoric. Then there's isobaric. Okay, I unmuted it. Next, PT graph, pressure. And the temperatures are T naught and 2 T naught. Now look at the points. P naught, T naught, 0.4, 0.1, 2 P naught, T naught, 0.2, 4 P naught, 2 T naught, 0.3, 2 P naught, 2 T naught. So what is 1,4? 1,4 is isochoric process. Isochoric process in PT graph, straight line passing through origin. Then isothermal. Then again straight line passing through origin. This is 1, 2. This will be really, a student has to put effort. There's no other way. Students are trying to remember. No, leave it. Better analyze. Do one problem, you'll get confidence, you can manage any other thing. Okay, last VT graph. Volume versus temperature. Volumes are what we have. V naught by 2, V naught. Temperatures, what we have is T naught to T naught. Okay, yeah, fine. Now, check it. Point 1 we locate. V naught by 2, T naught. V naught by 2, T naught. Point 2, V naught by 2, 2 T naught. V naught by 2 T naught. Oh, okay, there's a point 1, there's a point 2. Point 3, 2 T naught, 2 T naught and V naught, 2 T naught and V naught. Okay, there's a point 3. Point 4, V naught, T naught. Now, what is 1, 2? Isochoric process. So isochoric process, how the curve should be like this. 2, 3 isothermal. 3, 4 again isochoric. Getting the idea? So these are the ways in which the numericals will be there for you in exam. So I don't think so a student can, by solving, instead of solving many numericals, plot equivalent graphs. So you have to do 5 problems. For that, each problem, other 4 graphs you plot it. Suppose the euro is there, the other 3 graphs. These are very popular. And also other than this, also, you also do other thing. 1 by t I'll ask you to trouble you. So get ready for all the graphical analysis. You'll be on safer side. Okay, the overall what all discussion we made is of this much. I'll take next one. I think time is there. No, we'll take one more problem. We'll wind up. Now we'll have one more problem. Last one problem, we'll take it and we'll wind up the class. The density versus pressure graph. Straight line passing through origin it is. So rho naught to rho naught, P naught to P naught. Symbols, just be careful, the density and pressure. Monoatomic gas will take it. So this is 1, 2, 3. N equal to 1, monoatomic gas. Let's try to check like what is the process and what are the equivalent graphs here. The first thing, what is 1, 2? Okay, at least I think 2, 3 we can say, no? It's isobar. 2, 3 is what? Isobaric process. 3, 1 is what? Isochoric. We are not sure about 1, 2. So I'll do one thing. I'll take the ideal gas equation from PV equal to nRT. Number of moles will become mass by molecular mass. This further mass by volume. Mass by volume will become density. Look at P by rho. Rho by P or anything that one. It's a constant, no? If P by rho constant, then temperature will be constant. So here the temperature will become equal to P m naught by rho r. Look at the slope. P by rho is a constant. So therefore the temperature is constant. So what is this process? This process is an isothermal expansion, isothermal compression. Let's see that. First, density decreases. Density decreases means volume increases. Pressure constant, volume increases. Nothing but here, isobaric expansion or isobaric heating. So heat will be absorbed. 3-1. Density constant, pressure decreases. Isochoric cooling. So heat will be rejected. What about 1-2? Isothermal, it should be like a compression, no? Because like pressure increases, volume should decrease. So it's a compression. Compression means Q12. Fine. Take help of this. Okay, now, sir, area under density versus pressure graph work done. No, only in PV graph it is work done. So what is the best alternative rather than fighting with the formula work done Q positive straight away? Take help of the efficiency formula Q positive by Q negative. First we'll calculate Q positive where only it is absorbed on the process 2, Q23. You know in isobaric process, what is Q23 like? NCP delta T. Number of moles 1, Cp, monoatomic gas, 5R by 2, T3 minus T2. But we don't have temperature, no? Only pressures are given. So take help of this formula. P naught, I'll rewrite this. T naught, P naught, M naught by rho naught R. That will be T naught. Agreed? Am I right? So what is the temperature at this particular point? Is it 2 T naught? And then what is the temperature at this particular point? Oh, so sorry, it should be only T naught. Huh? What is the temperature here? Temperature here will be 2 T naught. What about here? The temperature, it's like isothermal, no? So the temperature will be T naught. Okay, I think we are in better position now. So what is T3, 2 T naught? What is T2, T naught? Then later on T naught, I'll write P naught, M naught by rho naught R. I think this will really troubles you a lot in exam. Better such numericals if you pick up, you'll be in better position. So this will be 5R T naught by 2. But we don't have anything temperature, no? I should not write. So in place of R T naught, what you can write? P M naught by rho naught. Your answers will be in terms of this. Huh? Just, I think, very nice problem for you. Or you can keep in T naught only, it will get eliminated, efficiency, no? Okay, it will be in terms of like this, pressure intensity. Next after this, Q negative. Where all ET is rejected. ET is rejected in both the Q12 and Q31. Isothermal process, what is Q equal to? Number of moles N, R, temperature T naught, log of V2 by V1. N, R, T naught, what we can write again? R T naught, we can write it as P naught, M naught by rho naught. This should be equal to log 2. Log of minus 1 by 2. I have to write expression. Just I'll expand it. Next step I'll come for this. What is Q31? Q31 is isochoric process. No? In isochoric process, it should be equal to change in intensity. So this will be N CV T1 minus T3. The earlier one I already solved it. So this will number of moles is 1, 3R by 2. 3R by 2. So T1 is how much? T naught. So T naught minus 2 T naught. So this will be minus of log. R T naught, we can write as P naught M naught by rho. So this will become minus P naught M naught by rho naught log 2 minus 3 P naught M naught by rho naught. P naught M naught rho naught, you take it outside. So this should become 3 by 2. Okay, 2 is there. 3 by 2 plus log 2. Keep it here. What is efficiency? How you define efficiency? Q positive minus Q negative mod of substitute all these values, will get the required answer. Getting the idea? So something like this also will come. Okay, now after this, I want equivalent graphs. Shall I continue? Huh? We'll finish off equivalent graphs so that you'll get a better picture. Okay, I'll begin like this. Now, for that, what happen? We have temperature, density, pressure. We need only one volume. No? How to bring the volume? I look at that point one. At point one, what are the equations like a P naught, V naught, R T naught. I wanted the volume expression. Pressure already is there. So what is the volume? Volume will be R T naught by P naught. T naught we don't know. So R T naught, what we can write it as? I think I'll mess it up here. Sorry. No need. No. Volume is inverse of density. No. Yeah. Rho naught, the density will be, volume will be V naught only. Volume will be V naught by 2. Again, volume will be here V naught. Okay, agree this. You try to make observation. I will keep it here, so it'll be drawing equivalent graphs will be easier. In one page I'll bring, next page I'll bring it. Yeah, now look at this. Now we'll go for equivalent graphs. Everyone okay? That volumes V naught by 2. First PV graph. Pressures, what are the pressures? P naught to P naught. Volumes are V naught by 2, V naught. Okay, substitute now. First P naught, what is the point 1? P naught V naught is the point 1. P naught V naught is the point 1. Point 2, 2 P naught V naught by 2. Point 3, 2 P naught, 2 P naught and V naught. Okay, this is here. Point 3. What is 1, 2? 1, 2 is isothermal process. PV graph in isothermal process. It's a pressure. Huh? So this should be equal to, the curve should be rectangular hyperbola. 2, 3 is isobaric constant. Agree this? This will be cyclic process, efficiency will be positive. After this, we'll go for VT graph. This is very important graphical analysis. I think if you look at the icon especially, there are some 90 numericals are there. Chat box is not coming up. I don't know what happened in chat box. Somebody commented, no, the chat box is, I don't know, it got disabled something. Somebody has posted some message. I'm unable to view it. Oh, okay, no, I'll do one thing. Is it okay now? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the next is pressure versus volume. I'll go for the pressure versus temperature, PT graph. The last will go for this one. So again, this is P naught. temperature. So what are the temperatures? 2 T0 and 2 T0. Okay, of course, only 3 points are there. No, it will be very easy to first what happened? Point P0 T0, 0.1. Next, 0.2. 2 P0 T0, 2 P0 T0, 0.2. 0.3, 2 P0, 2 T0. What can be possible curve? 1, 2 isothermal process. 1, 2 isothermal. 2, 3 is what? The pressure versus density. Pressure is constant. 2 P0, 2 T0, 2 P0, 2 T0. Okay, the 3 will come here. And then 3, 1. 3, 1 is isochoric. Show that passing through origin. Okay, the last one, volume versus temperature. Volumes are V0, V0 by 2. Temperatures are T0 to T0. Look at the points V0, T0, 0.1, 0.2, V0 by 2 and T0, V0 by 2 and T0. This is the 0.2. 0.3, V0 and 2 T0, V0 and 2 T0. So isothermal compression, 2, 3, straight line passing through origin. 3, 1, isochoric. Getting now slowly some different graphs. I took it in my notes. I think already there are some around 8 numericals are there. Do revise efficiency, everything. I think PV graph, again, different shapes like a circle, semicircle, trapezium. So different shaped curves comes in PV diagram. Then how to find out general thermic process will come. So revise, I think you'll come out of that polytropic process. I think thermodynamics is over. Next comes the chamber problems. Okay, do that. Then next, again, you can totally come out of thermodynamics now. I think the burden will go out. Small topics are there, you can manage. Okay, do focus on this. So don't solve many problems because you have to touch all the topics. Radiation is there, conduction is there, convection is there, calorimetry is there. So tomorrow what happened, we'll take the conduction radiation mixed concept. I'll wind up that tomorrow. We'll mix with the chamber problems also. It'll be much easier. Okay, thank you, all of you. Formula book, okay, I'll send it. I'll upload it. Everything I'll send it, but you have to read my notes first. Without my reading notes, what is use of just taking DPPs? All first read my notes.